Namaskar. Let's talk about oral health. Oral health is crucial to our body health. And why? Because the bacteria that cause various gum diseases and teeth infection actually can impact the health of our vital organs and they can impact the general body health as well. Actually, what goes wrong is that poor oral health increases the risk of these disease causing bacteria entering the bloodstream, and from there, they can actually impact the brain health and heart health, to be more specific. The endotoxins that these bacteria produce as a result of infecting our teeth and gum can actually end up in our GI system, that is the digestive system, and can cause dysbiosis. Now we know dysbiosis is directly linked with chronic inflammatory processes in our body, and it can cause various serious diseases and disorders. As for brain, well, there have been increased risk of incidence of declining brain function that have been associated with bad orodental infection. Actually, periodontitis and resultant tooth loss has been linked with higher risk of causation of brain stroke, and bad orodental health has been linked with causation of Alzheimer's disease as well. And there have been researches in recent past and they have found a clear link between declining orodental health and declining brain function, the cognitive function as well. So we've got to be very careful. Poor dental health can also impact your heart health, and in fact we know for decades that the bacteria that causes periodontitis or gum infection can actually via your bloodstream reach your heart and cause subacute bacterial endocarditis. This risk increases for those people who have received stents or artificial heart valves. So you've got to be very careful about your orodental hygiene, and it's very simple to take care of your oral hygiene. All you need to do is brush your teeth twice in a day, use floss, and use a good mouthwash that will take care of your all oral hygiene needs. And there is another way you can guard your oral health, and that is by doing oil pulling. Oil pulling is a modified Ayurvedic ritual. The original ritual is called Kavala and it's very easy to do oil pulling. You just need to take a tablespoon of coconut oil or sesame oil and keep it in your mouth for 10-15 minutes and spit it. That's it. It's that simple. There's another Ayurvedic ritual which is called Gundusha, and in this you have to take a mouthful of oil, keep it in your mouth, hold it for some time and then a spit. Now that you know you can brush, floss, use mouthwash and do oil pulling regularly to take care of your teeth, I think it's very important that you start taking care of your teeth if you're not doing it already. On this note, I will take leave. Please keep visiting my page and keep liking and sharing my posts because I love to share all that I know about health, nutrition, and physical fitness and reversal and treatment of diseases by way of using practices of lifestyle medicine with you all lovely people. So that's it for today. And again, as I always say, take charge of your health. It's all in your hands and start right now. Namaskar.